Hello, we are Team 305, and this is our video prototype of FlashGet 3.0, the download management software. We found some problems that need to be redesigned in the program, such as a lack of visibility with some of the functions in the interface, hidden options, organization, and how feedback is provided.
Considering using download software such as FlashGet, you will want to be as efficient as possible by using it, and our product can help you do that.
The goal of FlashGet is to help users download and manage download files faster and effectively, and also make it easier for users to learn how to use the interface. FlashGet is mostly used at home and can be used anywhere else where internet access is available, such as schools. Also, it can be used at any time, even when users are asleep. Users would be using this program when they need to download content on the internet for school project materials, music, and games. Our persona for this product is Joseph, who is an international college student and has minor IT knowledge. He is 22 years old and spends quite a long time in front of his computer. Mostly he uses computer to download TV shows and content for schoolwork. Today he received a new project that requires lots of images, so he came back home, sits in front of the computer, and now he's ready to go. Joseph's goal is to download multiple images more effectively to use on his project. So instead of right-clicking and saving each image one by one, he can now use FlashGet and download all the images on the site all at once. This drastically reduces the time wasted doing it the other way. First, Joseph is searching through the web to find what he needs. After he spots some images that he wants, he moves his cursor to any file on the page. As you can see, when the cursor is placed on top of any file that can be downloaded, the small graphic icon with the shortcut listed will show up near the cursor for users to quickly use shortcut to toggle download window. This way users have faster and more effective way of interacting with the interface. Also, as users use this method, they will gradually remember shortcuts and will make it easier and a faster process. As Joseph uses the shortcut to multi-download, the downloading window shows up with the main interface window. Instead of just providing files, names, extensions, file size, and etc., it also provides a preview for the user to find out what are they looking for. Preview can help users with finding a particular file that they're looking for, providing with visual feedback. He is done with selecting what he needs and moves on to the organization window by clicking the download button at the bottom. Joseph now has to locate the files. How is he going to do that? We came up with a Windows/Mac OS X-like interface integrated into our organization window. Joseph presses the arrow at one end of the small folder window to find different folders, or he can even use traditional saving method from Windows by clicking Browse Directory. Like the multi-download window, it provides preview as feedback, and after setting up the location, download will start. Now, downloading is in process, and if Joseph wants to take a look at the feedback of the files, he can simply click on each file to toggle a small feedback window. This way he has access to feedback only if he wants it, and feedback can be seen all at once if it's all clicked.
Also, after download is completed, downloaded files will automatically move into the folder he previously arranged.
According to our user test observation table and quantitative data, our preferred prototype is more effective, efficient on multi-downloading. Most of the users spend less time while using our preferred interface compared to the alternative interface. Almost all users that we tested on make less mistake on our preferred interface other than the alternative one. Since we improved the visibilities of menus and functions and feedback on our preferred interface, indeed our preferred interface also improved on learnability. Like I said before, most of the users went through the usability task smoothly and made less mistake, also consumed less time. Therefore, our preferred interface definitely has better learnability than alternative one. Our preferred interface has improved on feedback to users, and we think is working pretty well during our user test. Most of the users go through every task smoothly and make less mistake. Moreover, they know what they're doing, not just trying to figure out the software, but they actually understand it. Our preferred interface has better visibilities of menus and functions because the user made less mistake and always on track of what they're doing. Also, most of them go through the test smoothly.
FDM's icons are nice, but have no words to indicate their functions. Function-wise, it is way too technical. It has a schedule window, a site explorer window, a site manager window, and an HTML spider window. Just by looking at each interface alone, a typical user would not know how to use it other than download. It will be better to have visual aids to give users a clue to what the functions are. As a result, the user will end up not using any of these functions, and this significantly decreases learnability.